Hey guys, I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, this video is gonna be a makeup recreation look. So I recently just finished Outer Banks that show on Netflix and it's so good. I'm obsessed. It's probably one of the best shows I've ever watched. If you guys haven't watched it yet, girl, what are you doing? Go watch it now, okay? So I'm gonna be doing like a recreation of Madelyn Cline's makeup look. I'll attach a picture somewhere here. When I first saw these pictures, I was obsessed with the look. Her hair, her makeup, they all look so good. You know, I thought it would be fun to try and recreate it. So without further ado, let's quickly get into it because I'm looking crazy right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is, as you can see, I have like a lot of scars on my face. So I'm gonna conceal all the scars first. I'm just gonna apply concealer to conceal all the spots before I apply any other makeup on. By the way, I will be mentioning all the products in the description in case you want to know, so just putting that out there. Now I'm just gonna let the concealer sit on my face for a bit. While my concealer is setting, I'm gonna do my under eyes, and I'm using like a dark orange-ish shade to correct all the darkness because I really have prominent under eyes. So unless I do the color correcting, the concealer will not cover it up. And I'm actually using a contour palette for this, but lipstick works great too, or you can just use color correctors. Then I'm just gonna lightly blend that out. And before I go in with my base makeup, I'm just gonna set the concealer with powder just so that doesn't move. Now I'm going to be going in with my under eye concealer, and I like to do this before my foundation. Then I'm just carefully blending that out. And you can already see how well it covered up the darkness because of the color corrector. Now I'm going to be doing foundation, and I like to mix two shades. I'll mention them in the description again. I mainly focus the foundation where I have a lot of pigment, like my cheeks and on my chin, my T-zone. Now I'm going to be sculpting my face and doing my highlight and contour because Madelyn looks like she has a lot of heavy contouring going on, especially around like her nose and her cheekbones. So I'm just gonna sculpt my whole face right now. I'm also redoing my concealer just to add more highlight and cover up the pigment well. And then I'm just gonna blend all of that out. And I'm just setting everything with my powder. Then I'm just going to be going over my contour with my bronzer. And she's also wearing a lot of blush and has a lot of pink vibes going on her face. So I'm going to be going with a heavy hand on the blush. And I like to drag it on my nose and on my T-zone. The powder wasn't intense enough, so I decided to go in with a liquid blush as well. And this is super pigmented, so you need to work really fast. Snatched. Now for the fun part, which are the eyes. So I'm going to start with lashes first. So I'm gonna be applying lashes only to the ends of my eyes because I find that this really opens up my eyes a lot better than when I wear full lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm just gonna curl them and then apply mascara. Then I'm gonna go in with like a dark brown eyeshadow and just do like a fake eyeliner wing kind of thing. And she is definitely wearing eyeliner, but I'm not going to use eyeliner because my eyes are smaller, so I'm just going to do like a subtle wing with my eyeshadow. And with the same dark brown eyeshadow, I'm also going to smoke out my lower lash line. The eyeshadow, I'm going to do like a darker brown on the outer corner. And I'm slowly gonna start to drag that inwards. For the inner eye, I'm just gonna gently cut the crease and then go over with a lighter shade and fade it out with the smoked end. For my brows, I'm just gonna do that defined arch, and I already made a video about this, so if you haven't watched that, I'll link it somewhere in the description or on the screen. My brows are done, my eyes are done, and now for lips, I'm gonna do like a dark lip liner and fill it in with a lighter lipstick. Oh, I completely forgot about highlighters, so I'm just gonna quickly highlight the high points of my face, a little bit on my cheek, my nose. Now that my makeup is more or less done, I'm gonna do my hair. And that's it. That's the final look. Didn't have a pink dress like her, but I did put on hoops. And yeah. And yeah, that's it for my video. If you guys liked it, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. And don't forget to watch Outer Banks on Netflix. It sounds like I'm promoting the show. And I'll see you guys again soon in the next video. Bye!